I see a bagel on the other side. Carrot, can you jump really high?
I can, but the gap's too big.
Oh, I got it.
What is it?
I can give you a boost. I'll throw you over there.
Oh, no. I don't think this is a good idea. Ah! Wow, that actually worked. I got the bagel.
Yes, now give it to me.
How? I'm literally stuck here.
Shoot, I didn't think this through.
How the freak am I gonna get back?
Oh, I know. Toss the bagel onto me.
I can't throw that far.
Believe in yourself.
No, I literally can't. Watch.
Shucks. Well, I'm all out of ideas.
I actually got an idea, but it requires me to die. I'm gonna jump off this cliff, and while I'm falling, I'm gonna throw the bagel, and you catch it.
Is that necessary?
Once I die, you'll recover me anyways, and plus, I can't make it back there, remember?
Oh, right.
On a count of 3, I jump, and you try to catch the bagel as best as you possibly can. Ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
Carrot, I caught the bait. Oh, wait, right. She's dead. Carrot's dead.
So...
Yep.